Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll be showcasing 4 cameras and the new Auto Tracking 3.0 function. All 4 cameras support the new function in some way. Let's check it out. Here we have the new WizSense 4A Ceiling Network PTZ camera. Model number here. This model is a new ceiling mount PTZ camera that supports human and vehicle auto tracking. It includes infrared with a range of up to 100 meters. Compatible with either indoor or outdoor environments, this new model provides versatility to meet your needs. One of our most popular cameras is the WizSense 5A Network PTZ camera. Model number here. Like the ceiling camera, it provides infrared illumination up to 150 meters. With an IP67 and IK10 rating, this model is great for outdoor scenarios. It supports human and vehicle auto tracking. Here we have the WizMind 8A Network PTZ camera. Model number here. Designed for hydrological monitoring, this camera supports the ability to auto-track ships and other vessels. It can also read water level markers and detect floating objects. This is the WizMind PTZ 8.5 Network Positioning System camera. Model number here. This PTZ camera supports a 1,000 meter laser light filling, which is suitable for long distance aircraft tracking. The camera supports human and vehicle tracking and can be customized to include aircraft tracking as well. As I mentioned earlier, all 4 of these cameras support the new Auto Tracking 3.0 function in some way. But what is auto tracking? Simply put, it's a unique technology of the PTZ camera based on the PTZ system. When a target triggers the IVS rule, the camera uses its horizontal, vertical rotation, and zoom features to lock the moving target to the center of the screen. So what's different about Auto Tracking 3.0? Well, Auto Tracking 3.0 allows you to track the target you prefer, whether it be human, vehicle, ship, or aircraft. It integrates PFA 3.0 algorithm and position adaptive technology to enable smooth, focus, and accurate zooming during tracking, helping customers capture important details. Additionally, with new DPT technology, the PTZ camera can track the complete movement of the target within the monitoring range. Ideally, cars can be tracked up to 1,500 meters. Check out this comparison video to see what I mean. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.